All right. So we started right now. Welcome to the free workshop of the dice reading, which has number dice and it has picture dices as well. Now over here, we start with my introduction since none of you know me. Hi, I am Sonia Asrani and I am a certified occult practitioner practicing modalities like tarot reading, sound healing, dice reading, and much more since the past 5 years. Now, as a founder of Enchant Like Capricorn, I have helped around 700 plus students and about 1,500 plus clients to find clarity and to heal and to grow in their life respectfully. So now, how many of you know about what is dice reading? Can you all raise your hands? How many of you all know? Can you all put them in the chat box? How many of you know what is dice reading? Put one. How many of you have only heard about what dice reading is? Put two. How many of them have not heard absolutely zero knowledge about it? Like I've come like a pure fresher over here. Put three. Okay, heard three, 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 two. Done three. Have no idea. Three, three, three. So I guess majority of y'all are people who have not heard about what dice reading is, don't know what it is, or don't even know how to practice them. This is what I am understanding from you people putting up three. Okay. Now, dice reading is basically a modality which we use for knowing about how do we do future readings, how do we do current readings. As an example, अब ये डाइसेस देख रहे हो आप? ये डाइसेस दिख रहे हैं सबको? अब these डाइसेस, इसको देख के क्या आपको याद आता है आपकी बचपन के बोर्ड गेम्स? जब we used to roll them, we used to play them for Ludo, for Snakes and Ladders, for any board games. We used to play these kind of games over here at that time. ठीक है? So dice reading is basically an entire game which we play with these games, with these dices. This is all about your dice reading. ठीक है? Dice reading की जो accuracy level is about 93%. Mind it, tarot reading is nothing less. Tarot reading is also a good percentage. Tarot reading ki accuracy is roughly more or less 80 to 90% is what I have always understood, and I'm sure majority of tarot card readers sitting here will agree to them. ठीक है? Moving to the next slide. Why dice reading? Why should you choose dice reading as a modality to do a reading for people? यहाँ पर the reason why we do a dice reading as a modality is because dice reading is not a modality which we use for, जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा time लग जाता है to make any kind of predictions into your life. It takes you 2 minutes. Any question, you just roll the dice, it gives you. Plus, every number over here is associated with the 9 numbers of numerology and the 12 houses of astrology. Now you all will ask me, dice के ऊपर तो है number 6 last. How are we going to do this 12 houses? That's the trick that I would be teaching in the course. So what is dice reading? It's a form of a modality where dices are rolled and resulting numbers, patterns, and arrangements into interpretation to provide insights into person's questions or life situations. आप किसी के भी लाइफ के सिचुएशन के बारे में, किसी को भी अभी सडनली कोई आ गया, जैसे किसी के पास एक रिश्ता आ गया कि मुझे इस रिश्ते के साथ आगे चलना चाहिए कि नहीं चलना चाहिए, डाइस आपको 2 मिनट में बता देगा कि आपको ये चीज करनी चाहिए कि नहीं करनी चाहिए लाइफ में. आपको उसके साथ बैठ के, किसी के साथ बैठ के कुंडली नहीं मिलानी है, टैरो कार्ड्स में जाके इंसाइट्स नहीं करने आपको इतने सारे. इट टेक्स यू 2 minutes to do a reading over here. And it gives you very, very, very clear interpretations कि आपको क्या चीज, आपके क्या स्टेबिलिटी आने चाहिए, आपको क्या करना चाहिए आपके लाइफ में. हर एक नंबर, हर एक चीज के बारे में बताता है इस दुनिया में. न्यूमरोलॉजी में भी आप देखने जाओ, आप नंबर 1 को एसोसिएट करोगे सूर्य देवता से, वैसे ही हमारे डाइस भी हर एक चीज के साथ एसोसिएट होते हैं। ठीक है। नाउ देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ डाइसेस, वन इज योर नंबर डाइस एंड वन इज पिक्चर डाइस। पिक्चर डाइसेस, जब वी गो फर्दर ऑन, I will show you what picture dices are. Now, number dice reading. What is number dice? Number dice again is a very simple, fun way of getting your answers. कुछ भी चीज हो गई, आप बैठे हो, जैसे आप अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में बैठे हो, किसी ने कह दिया कल सुबह को, पता है मेरी एक इंटरव्यू है, जरा प्लीज आप एक रीडिंग कर दोगे मेरे साथ। आपके पास अपने हैंड में डाइस है, फेंका, यू गॉट योर आंसर, यस या नो आंसर मिल जाएंगे। यू विल गेट मोर इन डेप्थ आंसर्स कि उनके इंटरव्यूज कैसे जाने वाले हैं, आपको वो भी आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे वहीं पर बैठे बैठे। आपको कोई सेटअप की जरूरत नहीं है डाइस रीडिंग में, एब्सोल्युटली जीरो हिकअप्स, जीरो चीजें वहां पर जो आपको जरूरत है। सिंपल सी चीज है, 3 डाइसेस और पिक्चर डाइस का एक छोटा सा पोटली जो आप लेके घूम सकते हो अपने साथ। ठीक है। So number dice gives you a lot more, it gives you a lot more guidance, insightable guidance to your number dices. ठीक है। हाउ डज इट वर्क? यहां पर इन नंबर डाइस और इन डाइस रीडिंग, पिक्चर डाइस नंबर डाइस दोनों के अंदर, यू डू नॉट नीड अ पर्सन्स डेट ऑफ बर्थ, टाइम ऑफ बर्थ, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ, कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है आपको। ऑल यू नीड इज अ प्लेन सिंपल नेम, नेम दैट यू आर यूजिंग टुडे। जैसे I can see over here the name as Rashi Kakkar. So whatever is the question, I will use Rashi Kakkar wants to know this answer. I don't need your date of birth. बहुत simple सी चीज है. It's a very simple concept. Dice reading is a concept which we use, which we go on a logical basis than being more on a say, emotional basis or an emotional grounds. We cannot manipulate this modality absolutely. ठीक है? Moving to the next, practicality of the number. Now coming over here, यहाँ पर I will choose about 2 people जिनके कैमराज ऑन हैं, वो अपने क्वेश्चंस फुल नेम और क्वेश्चन बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए। I will choose 2 people or 1 person at least out of this for it. जिनके कैमराज ऑन है उन्हें सारे एडवांटेजेस मिलेंगे। So come on, start putting on your cameras because next you have is picture dice. Put your full name with your question in the question box and you all will get your answers. I'll choose one definitely out of it. Promise. Amita, full name with your question. Want to know about my finance? Come on, guys, put your questions. आप time predictions भी कर सकते हो because I'm just seeing some questions like that. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. बस इतने ही है, और नहीं है. Can we answer same as tarot? Yes, you can get the same answers as tarot also. जो आगे जाके I will reach up to that point. About my children's life. Come on, come on. There are more questions. Okay. Chalo, let's make it more interactive. Let's not just see my face and me seeing you people's face. About my career, be specific. Okay, so this is one thing, you have to be very specific with your questions when you're asking the dice. Okay. Anushka, are you there? Is your camera on? Can you raise your hand, Anushka? Anushka Datta. All right. So यहाँ पर Anushka's question is, can I be successful neuropsychologist? So what we do is, Anushka Datta, will she be a successful neurologist? Anushka Datta, will she be a successful? And we throw the dice. The number that I have got says a very clear-cut yes to you. So you will be a successful neurophysiologist in your life. Okay? I'll take one more person. Will my future wife be as beautiful? That you have to check on your own, I guess. Will I be okay? Avni Naidu will be able to do import export business in my husband. Okay. So Avni, can you raise your hand? Can I see you then? Okay. So Avni Naidu, will she be able to do the import export business in her husband's thing? That is Dagash Naidu, right? Okay. No. The number that I have got is a 5 with a 2. Over here, the reason why I say no is because, again, यहाँ पर you are being a little too indecisive. Either you or your partner are being too indecisive over here when the event is coming to choosing an import-export business. So this is how, and plus there's a little less knowledge also, if I am not mistaken यहाँ पर. You are gaining a little less knowledge on it also. थोड़ा और knowledge gain करोगे आप, you will be able to do the business in the near future then. But as of now, बहुत indecisive हो, या तो आप या तो आपके husband. Is it resonating? Okay, I'll unmute you.
It's me who it's me
you.
who is doing that. Yeah, and ma'am, one more thing. I just wanted to clarify. It's Avni Nandu.
Nandu, sorry.
Nandu.
Sorry, I'm bad with
That
pronunciation.
no, I just wanted to ask when you asking, so you change the name. So is okay or what?
That is absolutely fine, but I have taken your first name as Avni already into it. ठीक है.
Okay.
Got it? All right. So you all saw the demo already of it? कि things are resonating यहाँ पर? Sorry. That things are already resonating in number dice and how it resonates with people. ठीक है? Now we'll move to the next part of it. That is going to be picture dice. अब picture dice क्या होते हैं? बचपन में पता है आप लोगों को A for apple, B for ball सिखाया जाता था स्कूल में. Things were very pictorial over there. How many of you remember that the logo, what is the logo color of Facebook? How many of you remember what is the color of the Facebook? Put it in the comment. Let's make this a little more interactive. And let's have more people starting their cameras, please. Because those who are going to start their cameras will get the benefits too. Blue, blue and white, blue. And what is the logo color of Instagram? Instagram के logo colors क्या है? Pink, red and white, purple, pink, red, pink, purple, yellow, purple, pink, 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 purple. Now, why do you all remember this? Why do you all remember the colors of the logo of Meta, of Facebook, of Instagram? Because ये वो चीजें हैं जो आपके पिक्टोरियल पार्ट में इफेक्ट करते हैं आपके लाइफ में. आपके माइंड पे वो चीज रह जाती है। इवन इफ यू आर स्लीपिंग, नींद में भी आप बोल सकते हो फेसबुक का कलर ब्लू होएगा और इंस्टाग्राम का कलर ये होगा, एप्पल का कलर ये होता है, कैप्सिकम का कलर ये होता है। आप नींद में भी वो चीज बोल सकते हो, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने वो चीज देखी है। यू आर सीइंग इट ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस। थिंग्स यू ऑल हैव प्रोबेबली, आप ट्रिप पे जाते हो, आपको वहां की वो वादियां आपको मेमोराइज हो जाती है, यू नो दैट व्यू विच यू हैव लिविंग इन द रूम दैट इट इज देयर, व्हाई डू यू रिमेंबर दोज? क्योंकि आप लोग वहां पर रहे हो, यू ऑल नो ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ इट। Picture dice is all about your entire creativity that you are going to bring out within yourself. Out of the box thinking. जैसे अब मैं एक डाइस ले लेती हूँ एप्पल का। एप्पल का जो डाइस है, what is apple? When we think about apple, what do you all think is apple connected to? चलो, let's know your creativity. If I'm going to show you this image, apple of someone, fruit, sweetness, red, health, doctor, sweet results of your hard work. Yes. Keep a doctor away. Very true. A health doctor, gravity. That is bang on for a gravity. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Passionate. कभी सोचा आपने लाइफ में इतने सारे रीजंस हो सकते हैं एक सिंपल से एप्पल के लिए, जो हमने बचपन में सिर्फ सीखा था ए फॉर एप्पल। ए फॉर एप्पल ऑल्सो टॉक्स अबाउट योर टेम्पटेशंस। एडम और ईव की स्टोरी सुनी है? एडम और ईव में they were told very strictly not to have the apple. किसने खाया एप्पल उसमें? एप्पल किसने खाया एडम और ईव में? चलो चलो, किसने खाया? ईव ने। एडम कौन कौन, एडम कौन कौन, ईव बोल रहा है? एडम। बस ओनली टू पीपल आर इंटरेक्टिंग, और किसी को इंटरेक्ट करना ही नहीं है लगता है। एडम, ईव, ईव, यस, इट वाज ईव हु had the apple. ग्रेविटी कैसे डिटेक्ट हुई? न्यूटन। एप्पल का ए और डॉक्टर वे, एप्पल ऑफ एन आई। आपने खुद ही रीजंस बताए, आपने खुद ही उसके मीनिंग्स बताए। ऐसे ही दे कैन हैव वेरियस अदर रीजंस और वेरियस अदर पॉइंट्स टू जस्ट अ सिंपल एप्पल दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट। Picture dice is going to talk about your creativity power. Don't know Adam and Eve, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है? Picture dices are basically, picture dices are fun and creative way to get insight and guidance using dice that have images or symbols instead of numbers. When you roll the dice, the pictures that appear are interpreted to give answers to your questions or help you understand a situation better. यहां पर अब जैसे मैंने अवनी का किया, will she be able to do her import export business with her husband? I got a no as an answer. I can use my picture dice to go more in depth. वो नो क्यों है? नंबर्स तो बताएंगे ही बताएंगे, बट पिक्चर्स भी आपको मोर इनसाइट्स देंगे उसके बारे में। वो क्यों है? व्हाट इज द मेन रीजन अवनी कैन नॉट डू इट? लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस है, तो हाउ डू वी बूस्ट इट? यू कैन गो मोर इन डेप्थ टू द पिक्चर डाइसेस, ठीक है? Now, how does it work? Well, your number dice talks about your numbers, planets. Picture dice is a very clear cut focus on the dices. Also, at the same time, thinking about your creativity. थोड़ा हम हट के थोड़ा सोचेंगे, तो the clients will also be very happy. You will also be satisfied. ठीक है? Pictures interpret and tell you the story or provide the insights that relate to your questions. Any question, be it about your past, your present, your future, इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप जो क्वेश्चन कोई और मोडालिटी में नहीं पूछ, कोई और मोडालिटी में पूछ सकते हो, इसमें आप नहीं पूछ सकते हो। Dices also give you that same level of answers, same level of interpretations जो आपको चाहिए आपके डाइसेस में से। जो आंसर्स शायद आपको रात को शायद 2 बजे चाहिए होंगे, 12 बजे चाहिए होंगे, मे बी एट अ टाइम थोड़ी इनसिक्योरिटी कभी कभी फील हो जाती है हमें कि हम टैरो कार्ड रीडर को बोलेंगे वो शायद मेरी फ्रेंड की फ्रेंड है, किसी को बोल ना देवे, कुछ हो ना जावे। यू हैव योर ओन इनसिक्योरिटीज। डाइसेस हेल्प यू ड्यूरिंग दोज इनसिक्योरिटीज ऑफ योर लाइफ। ठीक है। Coming to practical readings, chalo, let's reach to two more people for a picture dice reading. Put your questions. सिर्फ जिसके कैमराज ऑन है मैं सिर्फ उनके ही लूंगी क्वेश्चंस। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक एनी वन जिसके कैमराज क्लोज्ड है, एक भी जन की नहीं लूंगी। जिनके कैमराज ऑन है दे कैन लीव देयर क्वेश्चन with their full name and we can take it. चलो, और किसी के भी क्वेश्चंस नहीं है? Want to know more about my Jay son? Like I said, डाइसेस में आपको बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक होना है आपकी लाइफ में, आप क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो। कैन आई नो मोर अबाउट माई फ्यूचर, अबाउट माई सन्स करियर? कैन आई गो अब्रॉड फॉर योर मास्टर्स? कैन आई गो? येस और नो, यू कैन डू इट थ्रू नंबर डाइस। Will Asmita Sen crack her net exams again? Yes or no? Should I continue my business or stop doing it? Can I get my government job starting? These are all yes or no questions. So I'll choose one of them, which is okay. Okay. Can I go online business? Okay. Will I be successful as a tarot card reader? I think all of us individually are. सब पे आऊंगी मेघना, सब पे आ जाऊंगी मैं। Where will you get these dices? Everything I'll give it to you. Okay. So I'll take in a question of Rakhi. Will you be able to attract more clients out here? So what we do is a very clear. Okay. Rakhi, can you raise your hand? Rashi, sorry. Okay. Rashi, you will be able to get more clients. You will be able to attract more clients into your life, provided uske liye you need to showcase yourself as the person how you are. Somewhere or the other, एक मुखौटा जैसा आ रहा है आपके ऊपर यहाँ पर आपके लाइफ में। People are not knowing who the original Rashi is. किधर ना किधर शायद आपके
Okay.
कैलकुलेशंस में also थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है। You mismatch with your calculations with your clients. It's a friend, let's do it for free. So again, your
हाँ
calculation
ये हो जाता है। हाँ
हो जाता
यस
है।
मैम।
You need to
यस
in
मैम।
order एक प्लंज लेने के लिए आपको एक प्रॉब्लम पड़ जाता है कभी कभी, कुछ भी न्यू
मैम
चीज
मुझे अपने
बनाने
फ्रेंड्स
का।
के साथ लगता है कि हाउ कैन आई आस्क फॉर मनी, शी इज माय फ्रेंड, वो थोड़ी सी हेजिटेट कर जाती हूँ मैं तो।
तो फ्रेंड्स हो, फैमिली हो, कोई भी मोडालिटी हो लाइफ में
हाँ।
स्पिरिचुअलिटी के अंदर, you never do it for free. So you're having two faces again over here, like I said. You're
हम्म।
keeping a mask over UK for my friends. मैं फ्री कर दूंगी, बाकी किसी के लिए भी नहीं करूंगी मैं, है ना?
आई फील हेजिटेटेड देयर, यस मैम।
Yes.
या
So again, the dices that I got is a parachute. कोई भी चीज के लिए
ओके मैम।
आपको लाइफ में हमेशा कोई सपोर्ट चाहिए होता है अपने लाइफ में। You need a backbone with you over here.
यस यस यस।
Again, अ मास्क ओवर
Yes.
हियर, कि आप वो मास्क जो है, जो मैंने अभी कहा आपसे, वही चीज।
हाँ जी, हाँ
और
जी,
एक
हाँ जी, दिस इज ट्रू।
abacus which I have got is an
ओके
abacus,
मैम।
कि आपके कैलकुलेशन सही नहीं होते हैं। फ्रेंड्स के लिए अलग, फैमिली के लिए अलग, और क्लाइंट्स के लिए अलग होता है। आपके
मे बी।
हमेशा हमेशा
नॉट श्योर।
आपके जो वट एवर अमाउंट यू आर, लाइक यू जस्ट सेड, फ्रेंड्स के लिए आई डू फ्री, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग,
हाँ, फ्री, यस यस यस,
दिस इज व्हाट
समटाइम्स
आई एम
और आई
ट्राइंग
चार्ज
टू
में
टेल।
भी वेरी लिटिल। हाँ जी, हाँ
For
जी।
if your friends it's
राइट राइट।
always different, for your clients it is always
हाँ
different.
जी,
For family
हो
again
जाता है मैम,
be
यस।
different. Family के लिए you will charge
हाँ,
less.
आई।
ठीक है, फैमिली है, ज्यादा
यस
चार्ज नहीं
यस
कर सकते हैं। जो फ्रेंड्स को फ्री दिया तो
यस यस।
फैमिली को क्यों चार्ज करे? That guilt starts eating you up again over here.
हम्म। यस यस, ट्रू मैम, ट्रू
So you can see how picture dice is again working.
ट्रू।
How do we do picture dice? Thank you.
यस मैम।
ठीक
तो
है, I'll take one more person. Okay. Okay. Yogen, are you there? Okay. Okay. Yogen, the issue of not getting clients in tarot reading and spell work.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, योगेश, किधर ना आप कोई ना कोई रीजन से आप हमेशा अटक जाते हो अपने लाइफ में। जब स्पेल वर्क या
Yeah.
टैरो क्लाइंट्स आते हैं, व्हेन इट इज टाइम फॉर यू टू ग्रो इन योर लाइफ और शो देम थिंग्स इनटू योर लाइफ, आप वहीं पर अपने आप को किधर ना किधर, वो कहते हैं ना, वो चाबी जो होती है आपकी लॉक की, वो घुमा देते हो, या तो फिर लॉक ही भूल जाते हो कि ये चाबी मुझे डालनी कहाँ पर है। हाउ डू आई
Yeah.
make those people as my clients to pay up for the amount? How do you justify them? आपको वो इशू पड़ जाता है आपकी लाइफ में।
Yeah.
Also at the same time, आपकी जो आंखें हैं, there's a little bit, I feel there's some I won't say eyes, but somewhere or the other आपका intuition power, आपको जितना लगता है बहुत ही strong है, वो हल्का सा कम है, हल्का सा weak है। When it comes
Yeah.
over there, थोड़ा बहुत you fall a little weak over there. The
Yeah.
dices that I have received is the key that I just said, कि चाबी तो है आपके पास, आपको पता है कि आपको टैरो रीडिंग कैसे करनी है, बट जब क्लाइंट
Yeah.
आपके पास कोई आके सवाल पूछ लेता है, आपको उसमें आप भूल जाते हो या ब्लैंक हो जाते हो।
Yeah. I'll get so much nervous, actually.
Yes. The key over
Yeah.
here is the arrow, because this arrow was directing towards the key. That is the reason why I took that reading of yours. And your
Okay.
third part over here is your eye, which is your intuition out here.
Yeah.
So again, your
When
intuition.
I'm outside, I'll get some intuitions and all, but when I'm particularly doing the readings and all, I'll get blank out.
Yes, yes, that is there. बस ऐसा
Yeah.
ऐसा सबसे वैनिश हो जाता है लाइफ में।
Yeah. When I'm outside, I'll just think about, okay, I'll see this today and I'll definitely say it.
करेक्ट,
But when I'm doing the reading, I'll forget everything.
करेक्ट, दैट्स ट्रू, है ना? सर, दिस
Yeah.
इज हाउ योर पिक्चर डाइसेस आर आल्सो लर्निंग।
Thank
आपके
you.
सामने अभी सब।
Yeah. Yeah.
So I don't hide anything. Whatever I'm going to teach you all, whatever I'm showing you all out here today, everything is crystal clear. सबके लिए crystal clear हो गया? तो let's type CC in the chat box. Let's have some CCs in the chat box if all crystal clear. Done. Okay. Up next, why should we learn डाइस रीडिंग? डाइस रीडिंग से हमारा क्या प्रॉफिट है लाइफ में? प्रॉफिट ये है कि आप इसमें से आप अपना खुद का एक करियर बना सकते हो, be it a tarot card reader, be it an occult field, be it in any other field, be it a non-occult field practitioner. You can make your own setup, you can make your own profits for yourself. कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट आपको कुछ करना है नहीं, 2 मिनट लगेगा आपको एक सवाल पूछने के लिए। किसी ने सवाल पूछा, 2 मिनट में आपने डाइस निकाला एंड यू गिव द रीडिंग ऑफ। सो यू डोंट हैव much to invest into it. In 2 minutes, you can make a good profit of about 500 rupees. है कि नहीं? आप जिधर भी हो, आप घर से कर रहे हो, आप घर से कर रहे हो, आप ऑफिस में हो, कैरी इट इन द बैग विथ यू। एक छोटी सी ऐसी पोटली मैंने ले ली अपनी। In that I've kept all my picture dice. Maximum all you need is what? 3 dices. Carry it in your purse. Very simple rule. ठीक है? It's very easy money. You don't have to make a setup or have a proper office wherever you go. You're carrying your office with you. ठीक है? The scope here is very vast. Dice reading is still not that recognized with people around. इतना recognition में नहीं है। आप ये, I'm telling you, all the tarot card readers who are sitting over here, अगर ये चीज आप अपने रीडिंग में incorporate करोगे, your clients itself will tell you, even we want to know more about it. So you will basically be introducing a new modality, a new way of doing the interpretations to your clients. Okay? Now, what else can you do with, why should you learn with your thing? There can be, like I said, easy money, client attractions. For new people, those who don't know, जिनके पास zero knowledge है अपने खुद के ये occult field के बारे में, वो कर सकते हैं घर बैठे बैठे। My mom does it. Sometimes there are times where I am so busy, I don't know how to ask my questions or I don't have anyone to ask my questions. मैं मॉम को कह देती हूँ, एक प्लीज मेरे लिए डाइस रोल कर दो and I'll interpret it on my own. She does it for me. So you can do it for your family members, for your clients, for your friends around you. Start with practicing around them. ठीक है? All clear? Now, who all can learn it? Now, whether you are from an occult field or not, you can learn it. Now, if those people who are sitting here from the start till the time we are sitting here till 3:40, we started at 3:08, till 3:40, if you are sitting over here, which means there is something that the dice is asking you to join. The occult field is telling you कि ये modality आपके life में आपको incorporate करना चाहिए. ठीक है? Now, for newcomers, those who are newcomers, वो लोगों के लिए, they can ask and get very specific, clear questions from this dice reading over here. Like I've said, carry it with you in your pouch, carry it wherever you are going. You will be able to do these kind of readings anywhere. ठीक है? नबी थोड़ा कोर्स के बारे में जान लेवे? Okay, y'all want to have some more questions? More questions? No? Y'all don't want to know how do y'all want to become an expert in dice reading? Dice reading में आप expert तब बनोगे जब आप ये कोर्स ज्वाइन कर पाओगे. Because the fine tuning, the fine specific questions, how to ask them, how to ask those questions over there, how to interact with your clients, छोटे tips and tricks that are going to be off your dice over there, all those will be covered in the course. ठीक है? Want to know more about the course? थोड़ा course content के बारे में थोड़ा जाने अब. बहुत practicality हो गई ना? Now, dice reading course. The course over here is going to have both your dice reading as well as your number, as well as your picture dice. दोनों dices ही किए जाएंगे आपके लिए. Introduction to dice reading. What is dice reading? History of dice reading. Understanding the number dice reading. Detailed interpretation of number dice. Understanding picture dice. In-depth meaning of all 54 pictures. That is your 9 dices. The combinations of them over there. There are going to be various spreads also that is going to be there. which is there. Case studies will also be shared with you. Y'all will do practicality will also be there. I will even ask y'all also to practice over there. Energy connection with the dice. How do we use the dice? How do we store the dice? All the details about them. Guides and tips about how to become a professional dice reader. Life question answer solving. Okay? This is all about the dice. Now, what is the price of the course? The price of the course is originally about 7,000, but today the course is going to be for 5,100 only. Iske andar, in the course, you will be shared the PDFs, the recordings will be given to you. Number dice and picture dice will be given to you in the course. They will all be couriered. जब तक कोर्स चालू होगा आपका, आपके पास वो dices already पहुंच जाएंगे. So you can simultaneously, while we are doing the entire workshop, you all can even practice it also at the same time. ठीक है? The course is going to start from the 2nd of December. Sorry. And it is going to go on for about a 7-day duration out here for you. The class timings are going to be 1 hour, 8:30 to 9:30. अगर उस दिन कुछ extra question and answer round हो गया, या extra questions हो गए, या extra info हो गया, तो then we might just simply extend it, or either we will stop it and अगले दिन हम पहले question answers लेंगे and then we will start it. The course is going to be very interactive out over here with you people. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है where I'm going to keep you all muted the entire thing how I've kept you all today. But interactions of course किए थोड़े थोड़े हमने. So those are going to be there definitely with you.